Here we have a 1951 Epiphone Triumph Regent. It has a lower bout of 17 3/8 inches and a scale length of 25.5 and a lower bout depth of 3.5. It's really the sort of everyman's high-end Epiphone archtop of its day. It was very popular. However, this particular model with its cutaway only was made for about 3 years, from 1949 to 1952. The reason it's all everyman's high-end archtop is that it's all hand-carved, book-matched, solid spruce top and hand-carved back and sides in maple 5-piece cherry neck. With walnut center stripe. It has solid Brazilian rosewood fingerboard with lovely diamond mother of pearl inlays. Very reminiscent, again, of something that was adopted on some models of Guild guitars. It has an original compensated adjustable Brazilian rosewood bridge and a pearl column peg head inlaid in stained holly headstock veneer, triple bound body, bound fingerboard, and headstock. So Epiphone announced the Triumph Regent as early as 1949, though we've never seen one earlier than 1950. This particular model that I have in my lap has a replaced pickguard, but it's vintage compliant. It has a Pete built-off pickup on it, which looks like a Charlie Christian pickup, and it's called as such by Pete built-off, but it sounds more like a DeArmond single coil, which of course is not bad in any case. It's very authentic sounding. It has the Epiphone frequencator tailpiece here, and it's just it's a truss rod cover at the top. They were in such a rush to bring these out that they hadn't even changed it to the white truss rod cover, which they adopted later on other models. There's a pretty nice feel to it, to the neck also. It's much more meaty C profile than on the L5 or other guitars that archtops that I have, like the 1970 Guild Artist Award 18-inch that I'm going to show you next, and then of course the 2020 Steve Anderson jazz guitar that I'll show you at the very end. So let's hear what this guy sounds like. I'm going to start off acoustically, and then when I get to the jazz piece, I'll crank up the Rivera jazz amp.